Your salary says $200,000, but when you get paid, you only receive about $174,000. So, what happened to the rest? Is it taxes? Is it deductions? Or is it something most Jamaican workers were never properly taught? Today, we're going step by step through a real payslip calculation so you can understand exactly how your salary is calculated. Everything starts with your gross salary. This is the full amount your employer agrees to pay you before any deductions, but this is not what you take home. From this amount, several deductions are made, one step at a time. The first deduction is NIS, National Insurance Scheme. This is calculated at 3% of your salary. For a salary of $200,000, that gives $6,000. This contribution helps provide future benefits like pensions and support payments. Next is pension, if you are enrolled in one. Let's assume a 5% pension contribution. That would be $10,000. This step is important because pension contributions are deducted before income tax is calculated, which means they can actually reduce the amount of tax you pay. Next is education tax. This is charged at 2.25%. But here's what many people don't realize. There is no tax-free threshold for education tax. It is calculated after NIS and the pension deductions, but not after the income tax threshold. This means almost every worker pays this tax. Now we calculate income tax. This is where things get more interesting. Jamaica has an annual tax-free threshold of $1,799,376. Only the income above this threshold is taxed at 25%. This is why some workers pay less tax and some pay no income tax at all. Finally, we have NHT, National Housing Trust. This is calculated at 2% of your salary. For $200,000, that equals $4,000. Now, let's bring everything together. For a salary of $200,000, your deduction look like this. NIS, $6,000. Education tax, $4,365. Income tax, $11,013. NHT, $4,000. Total deductions, approximately $25,378, which leaves you with a net pay of $174,622. Now let's add pension. With a 5% pension contribution, your taxable income becomes lower, which means your income tax also decreases. This is why some workers see different tax amount even at the same salary. Now let's look at a lower salary of $120,000. In this case, income tax becomes zero because the income tax falls below the tax threshold, but deductions like NIS, education tax, NHT still apply. So when you look at your salary, it's not just one deduction. It's a series of calculations happening step by step. Once you understand this process, your payslip should never confuse you. Now that you understand how your monthly salary is calculated, the next step is to look at the bigger picture. In the next video, we'll calculate your full annual take-home pay so you can see how much you really earn over a year. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.